Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome. Hi, my name is Do at Do Dodson Designs. I am a decorative furniture painter. If you don't know who I am, I love to create beautiful things around me. I love to paint furniture more than anything. It is just truly, truly my passion in life. If you come on, I would love for you to say hello. Let me know that you're joining. I'd love to know where you're joining from. If you're a fan of my page and you follow me, you know that I've been painting furniture for a long time. Just recently stepped out into the business world and really growing my business. And I wanted to talk to you ladies, all of you decorative man, that was a mouthful. Decorative furniture painters out there, if you come on, tell me what you do. Tell me, do you do decorative furniture painting? Do you do it for the public? Do you just do it as a hobby? Is it an extra income, like maybe a part-time job? Because I know I've done that forever. But I wanted to talk to you about the staging and the photography of your furniture. I know there is a lot of people out there. There's a lot of different sites and groups, and I've been a part of them. Hey, Cindy, how are you? Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Hey, Christine. Hey, good to see you too. I haven't seen you in a while. Hey, Melanie. Thanks for joining. I wanted to talk to you about your staging and your photography of your furniture. And like I said, there's a lot of people that have opinions out there of how it should be done and how it should be done this way. And if you want people to look at your furniture, it needs to be done a certain way. You need to style it a certain way. You need to do this a certain way. I'm here to debunk all of that. I'm here to debunk all of that because I have proven the theory. My styling is not traditional. It's not going to be traditional because I'm not traditional. I am who I am, and I'm going to be me, and I'm going to do what I love. And if somebody else loves it, that's a bonus. Think about this. Ask yourself this question. When you are styling your furniture, you're staging it, you're doing photography, who are you doing it for? Anybody want to shout out and tell me, who are you actually staging and styling and doing the photography for? Are you doing it for, let's say a Facebook, and you want to sell it? You're on one of those Facebook sites and you're posting your furniture and you just want to sell it. You just want to make money, right? But who are you actually selling it to? Are you selling it to a young mom who just got married, and she has kids, and she wants to make her house beautiful, and she just wants to buy a piece of furniture? Or are you selling it on a bigger market? Are you selling it to a magazine? Think about that. Are you doing your photography for a magazine? Think about this too. Here's another twist. Are you doing it for Pinterest? Are you doing it for another social media? Are you doing it for Instagram? Are you doing it to get the eyeballs to get to somewhere else? Or are you just selling it to make money? Are you looking at the bigger picture? Hey, Kelly, good to see you. Are you looking at the bigger picture? Are you just you're trying to monetize this one piece of furniture to sell it and it's gone forever? Or are you trying to monetize this one piece of furniture and make this one piece of furniture last 10 years and draw income off of one piece of furniture? Think about it. I can tell you my market is Pinterest right now, and it's magazines. And if you look at my photography, you're going to see it's not going to be the same. It's very dramatic. It's very, it's different. And that's what I want you to encourage you to do, is try to be different than everybody else. Don't do what everybody else is doing. Do something that is totally unique to you. You need to know, you need to have a goal in your business. In your furniture painting business, you need to have a goal. What is your goal? Where do you want to go with this? Do you want to continue to paint furniture for the public and hustle and work hard and carry that stuff around to shows and you have a shop and a store? Or do you want to make it easier on yourself? Do you want to paint less furniture and make more money? Cindy says she does her photography for Facebook sites, right? For selling her furniture. And I did that forever. And I did it as a part-time job, as a side hustle, while I was working a full-time job. And it was hard work. I'll be truthful. It was hard work. It was just, it's physically more than I can handle. Yeah, I sold the furniture and I made pretty decent money on it, but you know, it wasn't enough. For the amount of work that you put into it, it wasn't enough. So ask yourself, you know, who are you marketing to? Who do you want to market to? I know that I wanted to market to a bigger platform. Right now, my photos are on Pinterest, and let me tell you how this works. Let me give you a little business tip, and this is also something that I teach in my Creative Makers Tribe, which is a private subscription group for furniture painters who want to build their business and go online. I take those photos and I put them in a blog post on my website, and I link all those pictures over to Pinterest. And people are visually stimulated. If you're a creator and you're painting furniture, you're the same way. I know you are, because we're all wired the same way. We look at pretty things and we think, you know, wow, I want to see that. So you put this picture on Pinterest and someone clicks it. Okay? When they click that picture, what do you think happens? It opens up a link that takes them over to your website, which takes them to your blog post, or wherever you link that to on your website, whether it be a product that you're selling, whether it be a blog post that has instructions inside of it. Maybe in that blog post you have a video. Maybe you have affiliate links, and that's a whole nother way of making money. There's lots of ways to make money off of one piece of furniture. One piece of furniture. If your website is big enough to where you can run ads, we'll call your website your home, because I think everybody needs a home, not Facebook. Facebook is not your home. It belongs to somebody else. You need to have a home. And if you have a home and you can drive all those people to your home, and then you can hire somebody to come in and put up their ads, they will pay you money. And that one piece of furniture that you painted and you took that wonderful photo of on Pinterest is driving all that traffic all the way over to your home, and you're getting 1 million eyeballs. 1 million. Way more than 1 million. And it's content that you can use over and over and over and over. Styles of furniture change, they do, but a really pretty classic piece is not going to change. Furniture's not going away. Painting furniture is not going to go away. People will always need furniture in their homes to live. Kelly said, do you have a business Pinterest or do you use personal account? No, Kelly, you need a business. If you are doing decorative furniture painting and you're serious about it and you want to do a business, then you need to have a business account. You need to have a business Facebook page. You need to have a business Pinterest, a business Instagram, business YouTube. Whatever your platform is, it needs to be your business. So you don't want to do it from your private account. Those are really easy things to change in your business, and you just do that. It's not hard. Yes. Melanie says, Pinterest is a search engine also for pictures, and it'll be there forever. You are so correct, and that's what I'm banking on. I've been doing Pinterest for probably the last 6 months, and those pictures have grown and grown and grown and go farther and farther and farther. Let me tell you something. This really drove it home for me yesterday. I had a sweet friend of mine who does furniture painting too. She sent me from Pinterest one of my photos and said, look at this piece of furniture. She was just showing me because she thought it was pretty. She didn't know it was mine. She didn't even know. And she doesn't follow me. So, I mean, that means that those photos on Pinterest are going out just like Facebook algorithms. You know, everything has an algorithm. Pardon me. And it's all going out. It went so far out that it got to her and she's seen it and she didn't even know it was mine. And she sent it to me. I'm a believer. I'm a believer, guys. I'm a believer that there is a a better way to do business with your furniture without having to work and kill yourself lugging all the furniture around. Paint 2 pieces of furniture a month and grow your business from that. And hey, if you know anybody out there who is doing furniture painting for a business and who, you know, is just struggling to get their stuff sold even, it's so hard to sell furniture on the market anymore. It's really tough. So why not change your idea to maybe marketing in a better way? Making money in a different way. Share this video with them. Share it to a friend that you know that loves decorative furniture painting and just wants to maybe learn a little more about how to monetize that without having to paint 20 pieces of furniture a month. Has some hard work. Think about this too, ladies. Okay, not only are you painting the furniture, but you also have to go out and find it. And then you have to pay money for it. And then you have to bring it back, and then you have to clean it, and then you have to repair it, and then you have to prime it, and then you got to paint it, and then you got to do this. Then, after it's all pretty and said and done, then you got to style it. You got to log it to wherever you're going, whether it, you know, a pretty background, you've got to stage it. That takes a lot of time. And then you got to take photos. Okay, you think, okay, well, I'm done, right? You're not even done there. Then you got to go and you edit the photos, and then you got to put your watermark on it, and then you got to do all of this. That is a whole lot of work for selling 1 piece of furniture and never, ever making any more money off of all the work that you just done. That photo, that Facebook Live that you just did where you showed everybody how you did it, all of that stuff can be repurposed over into YouTube and then put back over on a blog, on a website, whatever, and you can make money from that. Hear my heart, ladies. I'm here to help you. And if you want to learn more about the things that I'm doing, the things that I'm teaching, I would love to have you in our group. I have a group of probably 20 women. It's a small group. We're just getting started. But I think it's going to help so many women. And that's why I'm here. I'm here because I love it. And I'm here because I see the struggles that other women are having. I don't have to share what I do. I don't have to share it, but I am the personality type that I love to share. And I want to help and encourage other women to get to where they want to be in business. I never was a business owner. I wasn't. I was a nurse for 33 years, wiping booties and all the glamorous stuff that nurses do. No, we don't wear white hose and look all cute all the time. We don't. We wear sloppy scrubs and hair in a ponytail and no makeup. It's a hard job. It's a hard job. And I got tired of that, and I got burnt out. So painting furniture, I say, has saved my life. It's given me a new love and a new passion. But it waited until I was 50 years old to do it, and now I'm too old to do the physical part. And I know there's a lot of women out there that are my age that just want to express themselves through maybe creative painting, who just want to, you know, just kind of explore something new and then maybe make a hobby out of it. And then after you become a hobby, you're like, well, maybe I can make a business out of this. There's something to this furniture painting. There's something to that. And everybody loves it, and everybody wants to be creative in some way. So think about it. And like I said, if you know anybody who, you know, is struggling in this area, share this video with them. Maybe I can help them in some way. And if you need to talk to me personally about the group that I have, I would love to chat with you. Send me a private message, if you will. I'm happy. I'm here for you to answer any questions that you might have. But I felt it in my heart today. I just left my group and was actually doing a live video in my group, and I do that once a week with them and telling them, you know, some different tips about marketing, and affiliate marketing was one of them, and that's something that I want to teach them. So I just felt like, you know, I have this group, and there's just a few ladies in here, but I know there's other people out there that would benefit from this, and they maybe don't know what we got going on. So I need to share it with you. I need to let you know. So if it's something that you're interested in, like I said again, I'd love to chat with you. We also are Melody on here from Paint Designs. She's in the comments here. She's actually going to be one of the guest speakers in our group. And I need to get with you, Melody, about that, about a date that we're going to do that. But she's a faux finish painter, and she's going to do some mixed media for us, which is great. I mean, mixed media can be put on furniture too. It's just a little different way of painting and expressing yourself, and it's a lot of fun. I love faux finish. I love a good faux finish. Something that you make something look totally different. You make it look like it's, like, I love the rust. That is this a great thing for me. And too, by the way, in our group, you also have access to all of my video instruction tutorials. I put them all in there. I release a new one every month, and you get a new one every month, a different finish for your furniture, so that you can kind of keep current with the latest styles and then get your business tips too. So, okay, thank you, Cindy. Cindy said you're such a blessing. Cindy, thank you. You're a blessing to me because you're here and you're listening to me and you're watching me. I appreciate you so much. So, I'm going to let you ladies go. I got lots of work to do. I got a blog post to write and some emails to get out. That's part of my business now. I painted furniture this week, and now I've got to do the business stuff. So, y'all have a great day. And like I said, message me if you want to chat, and I'll be back on soon. Y'all have a great weekend. Bye.